What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually meeting up with one of the homies from Maryland, homie Billy. Now, I don't think I've had him on the channel at all yet, but he actually drove all the way here from Maryland, so it's gonna be dope. You get to see his Maxima, and you probably see it in the thumbnail. But yeah, like it's a work of art. So it's definitely a custom wide body Maxima. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go ahead and meet up with them. All right, like I was saying, met up with them. Now, this video still won't do it justice. This is a custom kit, custom wide body kit. He was saying it came from BRZ, FRS 86, you know that. Love the actual front bumper too. Not the final color. This is, I believe, I don't know if you count the original color, but the second one that has been dipped. Definitely looks good. Let me go ahead. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. So it's Instagram. Are you gonna do any YouTube or anything?
I want to. I just don't know how to.
All right, definitely looks good. I love that design. Is that
That's that spraying color.
Okay.
It's all in dish soap.
Yeah.
Black it out.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, I'm trying to clean bay it.
Okay. Nice, nice.
But I got, of course, they got so many holes everywhere. It's not sealed properly.
Gotcha. That'll definitely make it pretty hard to do that. So.
Yeah.
Okay. And the front, you had to mold that to match as well.
Yep.
How hard was that part?
Shoot.
Or actually, what was the hardest part?
The hardest part, it actually took me 6 months to figure out the wide body.
Okay.
And then another 6 months to actually do it.
Right.
Because they don't make a kit for this car.
Yeah.
And now they came out with the 17 Ultra. And they made a kit for that one. I was like, man,
Right.
that's so messed up.
Right.
But now that they discontinued the Maxima, there will be. It was like either make my own,
Right.
find one that's similar to the body style, and then
Gotcha.
so I went, I looked around. I've been looking at the Q50 for the rear now.
I've seen that kit.
So redoing the whole entire rear, I put a Q50 that actually fits up to our cap style, because that side, the FRS cap, is on this side.
Gotcha.
So I had to mold every piece in.
Yeah, I figured that would be tough because, and I mean the car is so much bigger than what you were doing it for. So
I went 3 inches wider on each side, so 6 inches.
wow. How wide are the wheels?
They are 20 by 10 in the front, negative 55. 20 by 12 in the rear, negative 88.
Nice.
I can fit a 14 in the rear and I can fit a 12 in the front.
Nice, nice. Let's go take a look at that. Cause I'm running 20 by 10 all the way around. Yeah.
That white.
But yeah.
This new style looks better.
I think so
feel
too.
Like they did a really good job with it.
Yeah, I think the only thing for it's been a lot of people saying they wanted to see more of this car too. Like, I think I posted on like Nissan Times Infinity, one of the groups.
Yeah.
And ever since then, I was getting questions for it. I was like, I just sent them your way. I was like, yeah. Oh yeah. So, you got that. So I love how you got the harnesses in here too. Perfect touch. Oh yeah. Takata for the win. Nice, nice. And we got AGs too. Like, I want to get a set of AGs. Like,
Hey, 10 Gs.
wow. Yeah, that sounds about right. AG.
Yeah, because they were like, you wanted like 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. I was like 2 piece, 6 Gs, 3 piece, 10 Gs, 4. Might as well.
Right.
So I went with 3-piece forge.
Okay. Yeah, that forge is where it's at. All right, so, but yeah, you see the car. Definitely check out his Instagram. Like I said, link will be in the description below, and that way you can see it as well. Now, trying to get him to do a YouTube. He's interested in it. Just need some nice words of encouragement. So definitely say it in the comment section below, or hit him up on Instagram as well and let him know. But I think the build series for this would have been insane. He said he's still not done, so all the future things on it will be insane too. So definitely let him know. He's not done with it. Got more mods coming for it, more color changes, and it's a lot still to go. And I've seen a few people hating on the wing. I love the wing. I think it sets it off perfect. Everybody will talk about the function of it or not, but it's still dope. The whole build is dope. Like, love it. And this is the first time I've got to see it in person complete like this. So definitely great. Need to figure out what exhaust he has as well, because probably straight pipe something. Sounds good though. So while I'm thinking about it, I don't think I did the comment of the day. So if that's the case, the comment of the day is, and if you want to be selected as comment of the day, make sure you leave comments on the videos, and I'll randomly select one, and who knows, it might be you next. But yeah, thanks. But yeah, just a quick overview of the car itself. Let me know what you guys think. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.